Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe at the end. Thank you. I'll be showing you how I made this LOL cake. I've baked 3 layers of 8-inch vanilla cakes and I've stacked them together with vanilla buttercream in between. I've then gone ahead to cover with white chocolate ganache all around. First coating of ganache, and then I've done another coat of ganache, making 2 coatings of white chocolate ganache. This cake, I've used a paneling method, covering the top of the cake with blue fondant. I've cut that in a circle and then I've attached that to the cake and trimmed all around to give a nice smooth edge. And then I've used a pink fondant to cover the sides of the cake, measured enough to panel around the cake, and then smoothing everything together. I've then attached LOL edible image to the side of the cake, added some sprinkles on the top and on the bottom. I've covered the board with blue fondant as well, and then I've attached some fondant heart shapes to decorate all around the cake. I've also added a personalized topper, LOL topper, personalized to this little girl. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.